welcome, our visitors.
Thank you.
We are so happy to see you again. Thank you for sponsoring us.
How is school? Something nice about school, about the class. How is the boarding school so far?
The boarding school is good. We are enjoying it.
You're enjoying it?
You made some friends?
Yes.
Okay.
How many so far?
Like 12.
Oh, like 12. And the class, how are you performing now? Are you catching up?
Yes.
You are now. So you're not behind.
You're not
Yeah.
behind.
Are you ahead of the others?
Yes.
A little.
You are?
Maybe.
You are?
Your English is better, I suppose.
I think so.
Yes. You understand more.
Anyone who wants to
How
share
was-
another thing, you come in front, you tell
Can I ask a few questions? Yes. How was it to come back to Uganda? Did you like it, or do you
Someone
miss
wrote you a
Europe?
letter, and then they give it to you.
John, you miss Europe. But you also missed your mother and your brothers and sisters, didn't you? Did you tell them a lot about what you experienced? You did? Did they understand it? Some of it? Yeah. What did you tell them?
I tell them that I saw snow, and they say that they don't know it. And I say that snow is like
Ice cream.
it's like ice cream.
Okay.
Yeah.
He told his families about snow og sne i Danmark, og så er det jo ligesom is, ligesom vaniljeis. What about you,
Justin.
Dustin?
Denmark was good.
Sorry?
Denmark was
It was good.
What was good?
Snow
What about the food?
was okay.
It was okay. Not more than okay.
Rugbrød, yes.
Rugbrød, yes. Did you miss the Ugandan food? No, not much.
Denmark.
I didn't like the cold bread, did you? Did you like rugbrød and sandwiches? In the end, you did.
Hvad var det? Fiskefrikadeller?
You know what? When they came back, they asked for posho and beans.
Yeah.
They said, we want posho and beans. And really, I don't imagine asking for posho and beans. Now they are saying they miss the dish.
Mine is already finished. Hey, yours is not finished. The one should be like this. I can even add.
Sharon, Justin, I have coffee with you. Hvad musst du lave? Hvad så laver? Jeg tror Justin er sådan. Hey, så gør det.
Sharon.
Hvad var det? They are here, they are bed.
Yeah, I asked for the mosquito net.
Actually, I'm wondering, they don't have mosquito net.